look what I got. I got the key. Hey, Tami Goodwin here, and look what I got. I got the key. We are on our way in to 466 Prince of Wales. Look what I came to. Woo, woo, woo. All the sheetrock is up. All the sheetrock is up. It's up. And y'all see here under the closet, this could be storage area, but you know what? I'm gonna make it something else. I went into a house and they took this area right here and they made it a little office closet. They put a desk in there and a laptop. So what a great idea. So this is gonna be the kitchen. So we're gonna have the wall of cabinets. Then we're gonna have the island, and it's gonna be nice and open. So over here, this is where we added the pantry. Nice size pantry. So we're gonna go up. Let's see what we got there. So this is my washer and dryer room going into one of the master bedrooms. So here's a closet. And this side, this is the bathroom. This bathroom will have a tub, as you can see, and then it'll have, this one will be able to get a 30-inch sink in this one. So I got a 30-inch vanity coming in this one. And then this room is nice. This room has a nice high ceiling, really high, because of how it is for the roof over here. So this is nice. Nice lighting coming in. Great, 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 great. So here's the other side. This also is another master. Closet is the same as the one we saw over there. Now this bathroom is only gonna have a shower in it. You can't see it right now. The sink in this bathroom is going to be a 30-inch sink. So then we have this bedroom. And the bedrooms are the same. Nice windows. Nice, nice, nice. I'm super excited, you guys. I'll keep you guys posted and let you know how things go. Well, you'll know because I will most likely Facebook Live it. So I'm gonna go.